Hi everyone, this is Owen from Storyboard That, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an assignment straight from your Schoology dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm logged into my Schoology dashboard here, and I've gone to my course up here, Mr. Finnegan's class, and I'm in my materials section. I'm going to go over to this Add Materials drop-down menu, and over on the right here, I'm going to choose Storyboard That LTI 1.3. When I click that, it's going to make a pop-up right here. That's going to be our assignment creation screen. Now down here are the assignments I've created previously, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one using this create a new assignment feature right here. Now I'm pretending I'm a Spanish teacher here, and I'm going to call this La Casa de mis Sueños, which is my dream house. And I'm going to go ahead and update my instructions here. So I'm going to get rid of these placeholder instructions and write my instructions for this assignment in this box. So I'm going to keep it nice and simple here. I'm just going to say create a 3-cell storyboard that describes your dream home. And I'll keep it simple for right now. I can change these whenever I need to. I'm just going to go ahead and click this add button right here. And we'll see this has now popped up in my Schoology assignments list right here. So all of my students can now click on this assignment straight from their Schoology dashboard. What I'm going to do right next is show you what it looks like from the student view and then how you can grade it straight from Schoology. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, so now I'm signed in as my test student here. And so I'm pretending I'm the student right now. So all your students have to do is we're going to go to my course right here, Mr. Finnegan's class. And we're going to see that my teacher's created a new assignment right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And we'll see that the instructions are showing up right here in Schoology. All your students need to do is work on the assignment by clicking on this button right here. Now that's going to pull them straight into their Storyboard That account where they're going to see the assignment already created. All they need to do is click this Start Assignment button, and they're going to be brought straight into the creator. Let's title this Teddy's Dream House. And now we're going to create. So I'm going to finish this as the student and then show you how the teacher can grade it in Schoology once it's finished. All right, so my students have just finished this assignment. So I'm going to show you how the teacher can go back in and grade it. So I'm back in here in Schoology as my teacher. I'm going to go to the assignment that I just made. And you'll see there's this option from Storyboard That to view my students' work. Let's go ahead and click on that. It's going to bring me right into my Storyboard That account and right into my student's work. So we can see my student did an awesome job with this assignment. They made 6 awesome cells all about their dream house. So I'm going to go ahead and give them an 100 and tell them that they made an awesome storyboard. If I wanted to view my other students' work, I can check their name right here and just click on that and it'll show me their storyboard. But for right now, I'm going to post this grade. And it was submitted to my gradebook right here. So we can see when I go back to my gradebook on Schoology, the grade for this assignment is going to appear right here automatically in my gradebook. And the comment that I left in Storyboard That is going to come here into the gradebook as well. So it's really easy to just grade all your students' work in one place, and it'll bring it right into the gradebook for Schoology. So that's how you create a Storyboard That assignment in Schoology, how your students can create it, and how you can grade it really quickly and have that grade go straight to your Schoology gradebook. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy storyboarding.